What happens if you throw a nail at light speed from the moon to Earth? Let's set the scene. You're on the moon, bored, caffeine-fueled, in your lunar bunker. You pick up a standard 3-gram iron nail, stare at Earth glinting in the void, and wonder, what if I throw this thing at Earth at the speed of light? And just like that, you've inadvertently signed up to be the first moon-based human to trigger a planetary calamity. Here's the blow-by-blow. 1. Reality check. You can't do it. Einstein's relativity rules. Any object with mass needs infinite energy to reach light speed. No railgun, rocket, or superhero strength can change that. So this remains pure thought experiment, but let's pretend you've managed it anyway. 2. Terrifying energy. A 3-gram nail at 99.9999999% C carries kinetic energy in the megaton to teraton range. In practical terms, you've just created a miniature doomsday device more powerful than any nuclear bomb ever tested. Instant fireball. On atmospheric entry, the nail rams air molecules so violently it rips electrons free, generating a blinding plasma fireball, a supersonic shockwave, and the detonation of a small nuclear device all at once. It may even explode mid-air, vaporizing itself and everything within kilometers. Crater strike. If by some miracle it survives to the surface, it'll gouge out a crater dozens of meters wide, leveling structures and turning city blocks into molten glass. Emergency services would be overwhelmed, communication blackouts and mass panic would follow. 5. Global fallout. Within minutes, every capital is scrambling. Is this a weapon? Who or what launched it? Why a nail? Conspiracy theories proliferate, alliances strain, and you, still stranded on the moon, realize you might have just ignited World War III. NASA isn't returning your calls. 6. Memeocalypse. Back on Earth, the internet erupts. One small throw for man, one giant crater for mankind. Space nail reaction videos, themed playlists, viral songs. Your lunar stunt becomes the most absurd global event in history. 7. The hard math relativistic kinetic energy, EK equals open parenthesis, gamma minus 1 close parenthesis, EMC squared for M equals 0.003 kilograms, and gamma is much greater than 1 EK soars into petajoules, equivalent to 90 plus teratons of TNT. That's orders of magnitude beyond Tsar Bomba 8. Can Earth survive? Physically, yes. The planet's toughness has survived asteroid strikes, but a single nail-turned projectile can erase a city, trigger widespread fires, inject dust into the stratosphere, brief cooling, spark geopolitical chaos. You won't crack Earth in half, but you'll leave an indelible scar, both on the surface and in human memory. 9. What we learn, mass plus light speed equals catastrophe. Even a trivial object becomes a planet-shaking weapon. Moon-to-Earth shenanigans are a very bad idea. If you ever find yourself on the moon, don't yeet anything at Earth, nails, screws, socks, whatever. Our home planet has enough problems already. 10. Final word from future. You imprisoned in your custom-built lunar cell, you gaze back at that tiny new crater and think, I really nailed that. Throwing a nail at light speed from the moon to Earth would unleash nuclear-level energy, vaporize city blocks, and cause global panic. It's physically impossible, and please don't try this.